observations across Wisconsin and nearby states. The report from Janesville was not available. At Madison, thunder was reported, and it was 71. In Milwaukee, it was cloudy, and 69. At Watertown, it was cloudy, and 70.
National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Rock County and south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Sauk County and south-central Wisconsin, Dane County and south-central Wisconsin, Greene County and south-central Wisconsin, southern Columbia County and south-central Wisconsin until 10:30 a.m. At 10:04 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Baraboo to near Cross Plains to near Argyle, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gust and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Baraboo, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monona, Mount Horeb, Windsor, Evansville, Prairie du Sac, Sauk City, Lake Wisconsin, The Forest and Cottage Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.